Yes. How about something to eat? I suggested, let's go to a restaurant and I will buy you lunch. Now, the man who brings summons for Oliver Lutkins asks the hack driver or Bill, now it is time to have lunch. Let's go to a restaurant. I will buy you lunch. Now we should go to a restaurant and I will offer you to have lunch. It means if I will pay money for your lunch. Well, I ought to go home to the wife. Now Bill says that he should go. Don't laugh. Mute yourself. Well, I ought to go home to my wife. Now I want to go back to my wife. I don't care much for these restaurants. Actually, I don't like the food of these restaurants. Only four of them. There are only four restaurants here, and they are all bad. And all the restaurants here are very bad. Tell you what we will do. Now, I give you an advice. Bill says to that man that he would give him an advice. We will get the wife to pack up a lunch for us. Now, Bill says that he would ask his wife to pack the lunch for both of us. She won't charge you more than $50. Now, my wife will not charge more money from you. She will charge only $50, and it would cost you more a greasy meal in a restaurant. Actually, in the restaurant, you will get the oily food, but my wife give you a very balanced diet, a very normal food, which would not be greasy, which would not be oily. We will go up to the Vince Hill. Now we will go to that Vince Hill and enjoy a view while we eat. And while going there, we will have our lunch and also enjoy the sight of the village. मतलब क्या कहने का कि हम दोनों विल हिल पर चले जाएंगे, वहां बैठकर खाना खाएंगे और चारों तरफ का नजारा देखेंगे. I know that Bill's helpfulness to the young fellow from the city was not entirely a matter of brotherly love. Now, the man says, or the man is thinking that this young fellow from the city was not entirely a matter of brotherly love. It means Bill was not showing the brotherly love for that man who came from city. Bill was not showing the brotherly love for that man who comes from the city. Actually, Bill was doing business, or Bill was dealing with that man. Bill उस व्यक्ति से अपना बिजनेस कर रहा था. First of all, he was taking that man in his tonga. It was a business. And secondly, when Bill offered him the food prepared by his wife and she would not charge $50, it will be also a business. So it was not a brotherly love. It was just a business between these two persons. I was paying him for his time. Actually, I, the man who comes from the city, was paying Bill for his time. मतलब क्या कहने का कि जो व्यक्ति शहर से आता है वो बिल को पेमेंट कर रहा है उसके टाइम के अकॉर्डिंग. In the end, I paid him for 6 hours, including the lunch hour. Now, at last, the man pays the money for the 6 hours, including lunch time. At what was there a very high price? Really, what was there a very high price? It's very He was taking a very high price, but it was okay for him. But he was no more dishonest than I. But Bill was not so much dishonest than I. Writer says that Bill was not much dishonest. Okay, then I कि Bill उससे अधिक ज़्यादा बेईमान नहीं है. I charge the whole thing to the firm. Actually, what the man was paying to the bill, the man will charge all that amount. The man will take all that amount from his office. But it would have been worth paying him myself to have his presence. Now, it would have been worth paying. It is very good to pay him myself to have his presence. Okay, in his presence, I was paying him his money. His cheerfully country wisdom was very refreshing for a country boy like myself who was sick of the city. Now, his cheerful country wisdom. His cheerful means a country has this blaze. Okay, he was very cheerful, no doubt. He was very witty, very intelligent, no doubt. Was very refreshing to a country. Now, Bill was making the writer refresh. Bill was making the writer refresh to a country boy because the boy belonged to the city and the boy was fed up of. The boy was fed up of with the life of city, and now that boy was feeling fresh here in the village. वो लड़का जो शहर की भागदौड़ से थक चुका है, फीलिंग हैप्पी इन द कंट्री इन द विलेज, और विलेज में अपने आप को बड़ा खुश महसूस कर रहा है. As we sat on the hilltop, as we were sitting on the hilltop, looking over the pastures. Now the boy was looking at the green lands, pastures, and creek, small rivers, which lived among the trees, which was flowing among the trees. He talked of New Mullion. Now he talked about the New Mullion and painted a picture in the words of all the people in it. And Bill was painting the picture of all the people belong to New Mullion. न्यू मुलियन में रहने वाले हर व्यक्ति के बारे में बिल उसको बता रहा था. He noticed everything, but no matter how much he might laugh at people, okay, he was noticing everything. But no matter while talking about the other people of New Mullion, Bill was laughing wholeheartedly. Bill बड़े खुले दिल से हंस कर सबकी बातें बता रहा था. He also understood and forgave their foolishness. Now he understood all the people. He understood Bill and forgive their foolishness, and Bill was also forgiving all the foolishness of the villagers. He described the minister's wife. Now he described the nature of minister's wife, who sang the loudest in church because his wife sang a song in a very high-pitched tone, in a very loud voice. When she was most in debt, when she was under the debt, जबकि वो कर्जे में थी. He commented on the boys. He also passed comment on the boys who came back from college in fancy clothes. He also passed the comment on those boys who were coming from the villages, from the colleges in fancy dresses. He told about the lawyer. He told about the lawyer, Vakil, whose wife could never succeed in getting him to put on both a collar and a tie on the same day. It means he told about the lawyer, उसने lawyer के बारे में बताया, whose wife could never succeed, whose wife can never give her husband a collar and a tie on the same day, because his wife could not provide her husband the collar and the tie on the same day, क्योंकि उसकी पत्नी उसको कॉलर या टाई एक दिन में नहीं दे सकती थी, वो भूल जाती थी. She always forgets where she has kept the collar and the tie. As you know, the lawyers just put a band around his neck. वो अपने नेक को चारों तरफ एक नेक में क्या बांध देते हैं, एक कॉलर बांध देते हैं. द सिंबल ऑफ द एडवोकेट. He made them all live. He was showing the picture of everyone live. He was showing the picture of every people live. On that day, I came to know New Million better than I did the city. On that day, I came to know about all the people of New Million and to love it better. And now I was liking the picture that Bill was showing me. Bill did not know about colleges and cities. Actually, Bill did not know about the colleges and cities. Cities are very big, and the cities there are big colleges, but Bill was unaware of it. But he had traveled around a lot of the country. But he had traveled around the country because he had the knowledge of his village only. He had the knowledge of his village only. He did not know about the city. Had a lot of jobs because in the city, jobs opportunities are very big. शहर में जॉब मिलने की जो संभावना होती है वो ज्यादा होती हैं. From his adventure, he had brought back a philosophy of simplicity. Now, from this adventure, he had brought back a philosophy of simplicity. Now, the man comes to know about the simplicity of the villagers. वो जान जाता है कि villages में कितने simple लोग रहते हैं. And laughter, और लोग बहुत हंसते हैं. He strengthened me. Now he made me strong. He gives me power. We left that peaceful scene of meadows and woods. Now, after having the lunch, we left that Winds Hill and resumed our search of Oliver Lutkins, and again we started our journey. We started our work to search out Oliver Lutkins. We could not find him, but we could not find that man. At last, Bill cornered a friend of Lutkins. Now, at last, Bill took me, a friend of Lutkins, and made him about what he guessed, and told him what he guessed. और पूछा कि तुमने हमारे बारे में क्या गेस किया, क्या अनुमान लगाया. Oliver has gone out to his mother's farm. Now that friend told Bill that Oliver has gone to his farmhouse to his mother 3 miles north, and his farms were 3 miles away in the north. वो अपनी माँ के पास फार्म हाउस में चला गया है, तो यहाँ से 3 मील की दूरी पर है नॉर्थ में. We drove out there, laying plans. Now we were making plans. That we should go there. Mute yourself. I know Oliver's mother. Now Bill says that he knows Oliver's mother. She's a terror. जो बड़ी आतंकी है, she's a terror. Bill sighed. Bill had a heavy breath. दुख से आहा भरी, चीज टेरर मतलब बड़ी आतंकी है। I took a trunk out there for her once. Once I took her trunk there. She almost took my skin off. Skin, took my skin off means मेरी खाल उधेड़ देती. She would she would take my skin off. वो तो मेरी खाल ही उधेड़ देती. Because I did not treat it like a box of eggs, because I did not treat his heavy box like the carrot of eggs. वो तो मेरी खाली उधेड़ लेती अगर मैं उसके जो भाई भाई संदूक थे उनको एक एग के बॉक्स की भांति टेक केयर नहीं करता. She is about 9 feet tall. She is 9 feet tall and 4 feet thick and quick as a cat. She is as quick as a cat. She is as sharp as a cat. She sure can talk, but she can talk, no doubt. I will bet Oliver heard that somebody is chasing him. Now I will bet. मैं शर्त लगा लूंगा. I will bet that Oliver would have heard. Oliver would have heard that someone was chasing him. शर्त लगा लो. क्या होता है कि ओलिवर ने सुन लिया होगा कि कोई उसका पीछा कर रहा है. So he went to his farm. इसलिए अपने फार्म पर चला गया. So he has gone on there to hide behind his mother's skirts. Now he has gone to his farm to hide himself behind his mother. Well, we will try her, no doubt. We will go there and ask his mother. But you would better let me do it. But my brother, my friend, don't come forward. आगे मत आना. I will tackle his mother. I will ask a question from his mother. Boy, you may be a great at literature and law. No doubt, you are very intelligent. You are very much qualified. You know all the laws and rules, but you have not had real training in swearing. But you have not got real training about dealing in such type of matter. No doubt, you are very much intelligent. You are a qualified person. You are a literate person. You know about the laws, but you don't know how to deal. You don't know how to deal in such type of matter. We drove into a poor farmyard. Now we started going to a poor farmyard. We were faced by an enormous and cheerful old woman. Now we were confronted by a big and cheerful old lady. My guide bravely went up to her. But my guide, who was my guide? Bill, who was very bold, just went up to her. उसके सामने चला गया and said, remember me? Do you know me? Do you remember me? I am Bill Magnuson. My name is Bill Magnuson, the carter and hackman. I have a carter and I am the hack driver. I want to find your son Oliver. Now I want to find your son. I have come here in search of your son. मैं तुम्हारे बेटे को ढूंढने यहाँ पर आया हूँ. I don't know anything about Oliver and I don't want to, she shouted. Now the lady shouted that she did not know anything about her son, Oliver Lutkins, and she was not also interested to know about it. कहती है मैं अपने बेटे के बारे में नहीं जानना चाहती, मैं अपने बेटे के बारे में नहीं जानना चाहती और नहीं हम लोग को उसमें जानने के लिए कोई ऐसा इंटरेस्ट है. Now look here. We have had just about enough nonsense. Okay, you have done enough nonsense. बहुत बकवास कर ली. This young man represents the court in the city. This young man has come from the court, from the city. This young man has come here, okay, from the city to serve a summon to your son. And we have a legal right to search all properties of for this Oliver Lutkinson. And we have a legal right. We have a legal right to find out your son in your all the properties. जहाँ तुम्हारी प्रॉपर्टीज है हम पे लीगल राइट है तुम्हारे बेटे को ढूंढने की. सो यू कांट स्टॉप अस, हमें रोक नहीं सकती. Bill made me sound very important. Now Bill was doing the work very beautifully. The woman was impressed. Woman was very much impressed with the works of Bill. She retired into the kitchen. She went back to the kitchen. We followed and we just followed her. वो किचन में गई और हम उसके साथ पीछे पीछे किचन की तरफ चल दिए. She seized an iron from the old-fashioned stove. Now she just took out an iron rod from the old-fashioned stove. पुराने जमाना कोई चूल्हा होगा, कोई स्टोव होगा, उसमें लोहे की छड़ी थी, लोहे की छड़ थी, उसको बाहर निकाला. March on us shouting, and she was going to strike with that iron rod on us. And she was going to strike with that iron rod on us, shouting, you search all you want to, oh, you have come here to search all my property. तुम यहाँ मेरी सारी प्रॉपर्टी को सर्च करने आए हो. Where is Oliver Lutkinson? If you don't mind getting burned first of all, now I will